Hello! Welcome. I'm Becky at Eyedentity Beauty and welcome to my YouTube channel. Really appreciate you tuning in and watching one of my very first tutorials. Tutorial today on creating the perfect midnight smoky eye. And I call it my midnight smoky eye because I'm actually going to be using these blues here. So a bit different from your classic blacks or brown smoky eye. So we're going to mix it up a bit. I'm really excited to show you. So I've already prepped my skin. I'm not going to do my foundation first, and you'll see probably because I'm going to get some fallout. So by using the darker colours, at least I can clear up afterwards and we can have that nice sharp finish. So I've already popped a bit of our eye primer onto the lid of my eyes, but I can feel like it's slightly tacky. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in and set my eyes with some setting powder. With a small brush, and just tap it on the edge there, tap it off. Now, if I'd already done my base, it would already be set. My blending brush, and I am going to go in with Cheerful. Now I'm going to be using Cheerful as my transition colour. Cheerful on the brush, give it a good tap, and I'm going to go into the crease. And I'm just going to go in with what I call a windscreen wiper motion. Now I know it looks scary and it will probably look like I've been punched in the face to begin with, but bear with me. As you can see, this is really building up. It's quite a dark blue coming through. And once we've put the brows and everything in, you'll see how it will transition all the way up. I do look like I've been punched in the face, don't I? Woo! So the next colour we're going to go in with is Honest, and we're going to go in with Honest all over the lid. Our Splurge Cream Shadow Brush. And I'm going to wet it with some setting spray. Now, the reason I do this is I want that really bold silver to show on the lid. And that's what the setting spray does. So you could use water, could use something like rose water. But I love the setting spray. So what we're going to be doing with this silver is we're going to pack it onto the lid. So that's why I'm using this nice flat brush to be able to really get that bold colour all over the lid. Onto the lid like this, we're almost creating a bit of a cut crease. Triumphant. This is a very dark, almost black, but navy blue here. So we're going to go in with this. And I'm going in with my fluffy crease brush. And I'm just going in with this to the outer V. To be too precise at the moment with this because we can blend this out with the brush we used earlier. And bring this slightly under the eye as well, but we'll probably redo that at the end once we've got our base face on. We'll come back in. I've now got myself a nice clean brush so that I'm not putting any more product on, so I can blend out some of those edges. It's not a perfect blend at the moment, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear up. Can you see this fallout? And I'm going to clear up that with a little bit of toning spritz. Tender under the brows. It'll also give us some colour to blend with the dark colour there. So we're going to give that a nice highlight under the brow bone there. Can you see that almost looks like we've got a couple of harsh lines, so we don't want that. So I'm going to go right in there and watch this pop. I'm going to go back in with that clean fluffy crease brush so that we can buff out those edges and blend it in to the brow bone. And I think we have a beautiful, simple, smoky eye. But of course, what do we got to finish that? We need lashes. Lashes, lashes, lashes. Lash primer and the amazing 4D mascara. And have the nice snow look, Ice Queen. we need one last thing, don't we, to finish off this look? And we need to do our lips. I'm going to go in with my favourite nude lip powder. This is in the shade Compatible. The technology on this is just amazing. I don't understand it myself. We go from a powder that turns into a liquid. And that's it, our perfect midnight blue smoky eye with a perfect nude look. Thanks for watching. Bye.